Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf, and today we're diving into a topic that many of us can relate to: how to stick to your skincare routine even when life gets busy. We'll cover 10 practical tips to help you maintain glowing, healthy skin no matter how packed your schedule might get. Life gets hectic, and sometimes our skincare routines are the first to fall by the wayside. But taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With just a few adjustments, you can keep your skin looking great. So without further ado, let's get started. First up, simplify your routine. If you're busy, a streamlined approach is the way to go. In the morning, focus on the essentials: a cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. For the evening, just a cleanser, treatment like a serum, and a moisturizer will do. You don't need a 10-step routine to achieve fabulous skin. Prioritize products that tackle your primary concerns, and you can let go of the rest. Keep your products accessible. This is a game changer. Store your skincare products in a convenient spot where you can easily grab them. A countertop organizer or a small tray will keep your essentials visible. You might also consider travel-sized products for those especially hectic days when you're constantly on the go. Having everything in one place makes sticking to your routine so much easier. Next, multitask with your skincare. Yes, you heard that right. Incorporate skincare into your existing habits. Apply a face mask while making your morning coffee or answering emails. Use a hydrating mist during work breaks to refresh your skin and your mind. Massage in your moisturizer while listening to a podcast or watching your favorite show. It's all about making the most of your time. Set reminders. Thanks to technology, staying on top of your skincare routine is easier than ever. Use your phone or planner to schedule time for skincare. Treat it like an appointment. Set a daily alarm for your morning and evening routines. Create weekly reminders for deeper treatments like exfoliation or masks. Having a set time helps it become a habit rather than an afterthought. Opt for multifunctional products. If you're looking to save time, choose products that serve multiple purposes. A tinted moisturizer with SPF can replace your sunscreen and foundation. A cleanser with gentle exfoliation can cut down on separate scrubbing sessions. Serums that combine anti-aging and hydration benefits can streamline your evening routine. Multifunctional products are truly a busy person's best friend. Incorporate skincare into self-care. Make your skincare routine a moment of relaxation rather than a chore. Light a candle or play calming music while you cleanse and moisturize. Take a few deep breaths as you massage your face, focusing on the soothing sensation. Transforming your routine into a relaxing ritual makes it something you can look forward to each day. And don't skip the basics. Even if you're short on time, make it a point to always remove your makeup before bed and apply sunscreen in the morning. These 2 steps are non-negotiable for healthy, radiant skin. Adjust for your schedule. If mornings are hectic, shift your more involved skincare steps to the evening. If evenings are unpredictable, keep your nighttime routine simple and thorough. Being flexible with your routine can make all the difference. Stay hydrated and nourished. Skincare isn't just about what you put on your skin, it's also about what you put into your body. Drink plenty of water and eat a balanced diet, rich in skin-friendly nutrients like vitamins A, C, and E. Your skin will thank you for it. Be consistent, not perfect. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. If you miss a step or skip a day, don't stress. Just pick up where you left off and keep going. Over time, even a simple routine can yield impressive results. Maintaining a skincare routine when you're busy is all about finding what works best for you. By simplifying your steps, incorporating skincare into your daily habits, and prioritizing self-care, you can keep your skin healthy and glowing no matter how packed your schedule gets. And that's a wrap for today's episode of Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. Thanks for listening. If you'd like to create your own all-natural skincare routine, check out my free download on All Natural Skincare Challenge or my 3-day DIY skincare reset for mature skin. You can find the links in the show notes. What's your favorite tip for sticking to a skincare routine? Send us a message and let us know. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf, and we'll see you next time.